Our society is confronted with complex environmental issues. Industrial processes can result in air, soil or water pollution. It's essential to undertake remediation efforts to address historical emissions. Renewable fuels, including biogas and hydrogen, need to be purified. We are Cargen, an innovative manufacturer of modular filtration systems based on activated carbon. Activated carbon is a 100% organic material that's highly porous and can therefore absorb and capture contaminants from air, liquids and gases. This captures harmful emissions before they enter the environment and enables the remediation of contaminated soils. At Cargen, we primarily use activated carbon from renewable sources. We recondition filters with saturated activated carbon. The filter units are thoroughly cleaned and the saturated carbon is reactivated through a thermal process, during which all contaminants are completely neutralized. Through this circular and sustainable use of activated carbon, we create added value for both the environment and our clients. At Cargen, we're fully committed to a circular business model with minimal CO2 emissions, which allows us to purify various industrial processes. Our modular and scalable technology provides a flexible solution for any application. Cargen is your reliable partner for activated carbon-based purification, owing to our decades of experience in biogas production, soil remediation, and air and water purification. Cargen.